So, Nam, your car didn't start, huh?
Yeah.
And well, when it didn't start, we figured it has to be one of three things:
Uh,
starter,
Alternator.
battery, or alternator.
Yeah.
So we voltmetered the battery. It was 10.7, so
Yeah.
it was dead. And then we just jump started the car. So then what did the voltage go to?
It went to 14.
Yeah, went to 14, so that means the alternator seems fine.
Yeah.
And the starter seemed to work fine.
Yeah.
So we probably could have recharged up that battery, but it was also 7, 8 years old. So we got a new Superstart AGM. Ooh. So we're not doing the uninstall of the battery, but we'll show the install. Uninstall is just opposite. So there's 3 little holes. You find the one that fits your car. We still have the OEM bracket here. That's pretty nice. So go ahead, pop it in. Or just see where it sits.
Yeah.
So keep the covers on for now. Looks pretty good in there. Might be the lowest one.
It's the middle one.
Middle one?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. My initial guess was correct. Awesome. So first things first, you got this one. So you can unscrew it by hand. And then just, no, you hook it in at the bottom.
Okay. And then you...
Yeah, and then you put it back up. And then you just turn, put the washer in. You can hand turn the nut. So we got this battery from O'Reilly's. 3-year warranty. Not too bad. Okay. And then tighten it just a couple more turns. Yeah. So this one is some aftermarket J-hook we had just because the OEM one was gone and screwed up, but seems to work pretty well. And then just give it the battery a good shake and see if it wiggles around at all. You don't want to over tighten it. Yeah, that's solid. Alright, so reverse of install. So the positive first, because it won't create a circuit, so you got to remove the red cap.
Oh yeah.
That's there to protect you from shocking and killing yourself. Alright. And then push that down. Cool. And then use the 10 mil. Tighten it up. Doesn't have to be super duper tight, just should feel decent. It is a small nut and bolt. Just enough so that the thing doesn't wiggle. Yeah, that's pretty good. So then now you can cover that top. Super safe. And then now, the negative is behind the battery. So first you got to pop off the little piece that's in there as well. Oh yeah, that one. We probably should have removed that one before we put the battery in.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of times they're pretty stuck in there. Might have to get a screwdriver and pry it out. Alright, got it out with a little pick. Awesome. So first, now you got to get the negative cable and get it by hand.
Yeah.
And then you just put it on. Since we don't have an alarm, we don't have anything to worry about. Cool. It's on there?
Yep.
Okay. And then you should rotate it a little bit. Because you see how the nut is facing the other terminal?
Yeah.
That means you can't get to it. So yeah. Yeah, that way is pretty good. And then see if you could even get the screwdriver in there now that it sits a little bit different. Might not be able to. But if you can, that's good.
We can.
Just be careful. You don't want to strip it or anything.
Because it's like slightly like angled.
Yeah, but that's okay. As long as we can get it tight, that's all that matters.
I don't think it's turning.
It's pretty tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks pretty decent, but actually it could be a lot lower.
Oh,
Yeah, so I would actually loosen it
okay.
so you could push it down. Because it should basically be almost flush with the terminal on top, but it's not right now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Again, it should be okay, but why? Why risk it? That should be enough, and then you can push it down by hand. Or maybe you need to push and twist a little bit, or loosen it more. Does it even move right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, no, that's good now. That's actually pretty good. It's flush. Just couldn't tell. It looks like it's still wiggling.
Yeah.
It should feel tight.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, cool. And then last step, you get all the good stuff. Battery terminal protector. So we just spray a little bit. Let's see, this will keep it from rusting and stuff. So you just shake can first. And since it's already dry, so lift the red cap. Okay, pull that back. I don't think your car really has a problem with it, but since I have this stuff, might as well use it. Just so no corrosion later, or less chance of corrosion. Cool. So new battery is in. I guess go ahead and start the car, make sure it works. Oh, and I gotta get you a little Velcro so that we could cover it. But yeah, start the car.
I forgot I was in gear.
Ah, you're in gear. But it starts. Cool.